a video of our new bees. We just picked up this hive here. It's the bottom box. It's a deep with a high entrance and 2 shallows, and it was really heavy. It was full to the top. When we opened it, there was bees all over the top of the inner cover. So as soon as I got home, I put a medium honey super on there, and they're happy. They're coming and going, and I'll go around and show you the feeder that I got. I know you don't really have to feed them, but since they're new here, I want them to feel welcome. And that's just an empty hive. This is an empty hive, and that's just an empty box. See all them bees? I guess they're getting use out of this feeder there.